When you're doing a lot of cutting-edge R&D, if you're trying to do things that don't exist yet, I found that there's this naming problem that you have to face. So in 2018, I found a presentation that we did to our first customer, Standard Chartered Bank, back in 2018. It was called Silent 8, How It Works. And we explained this whole architecture there in slides. And we said, this is an agent, this is how these agents cooperate between each other, this is how you get to predictable reasoning models, this is how you make your decisions. This is how it's designed so you can safely use it in those use cases where the stakes are super high, where mistakes are absolutely not allowed in areas like AML or sanctions. A lot of things in these presentations, we had to make up names for the things that we've created, and these names didn't exist. There's a lot of names that now looking back are stupid, but I'm happy that few of these names that we came up with, like agents, actually sticked. And right now, when we're thinking about AI agents, we're thinking about exactly the same thing that we were describing and we were actually putting into production in 2018. This model of agents working together, like right now in the research papers from Google, this also got a name. It's a completely different name that we called it. So right now we need to go into our product and rebrand some of the things. But the problem is, we are with our R&D like so ahead, and we continue to stay so ahead that we have stuff that's named in a way that today seems reasonable, and but probably 2-3 years down the line, we'll be all laughing from this weird names that we come up with. So, for example, instead, chain of thought, we call the chain of thought like reasoning branches, because I was just thinking, well, it's like in a tree, there are some branches, and this was our name for chain of thought. Chain of thought sounds way better than reasoning branches, but I'm glad that at least agents stick.